We are nurses and proud to be a nurses' presence. National Florence Nightingale Nurses Awards are given as a mark of recognition for the meritorious services rendered by nursing professionals in the country. This award is presented on 12th of May every year on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Award is given to outstanding. The award consists of cash award of rupees 50,000, a certificate and a medal. Apart from the nursing personnel working in the state, central, autonomous institutions, the nursing personnel working in private, missionary, and voluntary organizations are also eligible for the National Florence Nightingale Nurses Award. Government of India invites the application or nominations from the nurses in the following three categories, namely Registered Auxiliary Nurses and Midwives 17, Registered Nurses and Midwives 30, Registered Lady Health Visitors 4. Number award may be increased coming year also. Eligible criteria: minimum 10 years of experience in the respective category. In case of extraordinary performance, age may not be a constraint. The nominations should be called from state government, central government, private institutions or missionaries, and prominent voluntary organizations of the concerned state. All nominations should be handled by the Secretary, Health and Family Welfare of the concerned state except central government institutions, autonomous organizations. Central government institutions like universities, paramilitary forces, military nursing forces, AIIMS, ESI, railways and ordnance factories, etc., may directly send the applications to the Indian Nursing Council, that is INC, through the head of institutions. Application in the prescribed proforma should be accompanied by 2 passport size photographs. Second thing, biodata with qualification and registration certificates, summary of achievements, and documents in support thereof as desired in the criteria. Draft citation not exceeding 1 page. Application duly recommended and complete in all respects should be sent to the President, Indian Nursing Council, 8th floor, NBCC Center, plot number 2, Community Center, Okhla Phase 1, New Delhi 110020. Application received after the last date will not be entertained. Of the State or Central Selection Committee for the National Florence Nightingale Nurses Award. 1. The application of the candidates for the national awards of the state or union territory level will be called by the chief nurse in the office of Directorate Health Services, that is Assistant Director Nursing or Deputy Director Nursing. The state or union territory selection committee, who will screen the applications and recommend the candidates to the Central Selection Committee for the National Florence Nightingale Nurses Award. State Level Selection Committee. The State Level Selection Committee will comprise of Secretary or Health and Family Welfare, Chairman, Director of Health Services or Director of Medical Education, Member, Registrar and Representative, State Nursing Council, Member, President or Secretary, TNAI, Trained Nurses Association of India, State Branch or State Level Nursing Association, Member, Chief Nurse in the Office or Directorate Health Services ADHS Nursing or Deputy Director Nursing, Member Secretary. Central Selection Committee. The Central Selection Committee under Indian Nursing Council, which will examine the applications of the candidate Honorable Justice Shri V. Gopala Gowda, former Supreme Court Judge, Chairman, President Indian Nursing Council, Member, DDG Medical, DTE-GHS, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Member, Director Nursing, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Member, Secretary General, AIGNF, New Delhi, Member, Principal RAK, New Delhi, Member, President TNAI, Member. We are nurses, proud to be a nurse. For more nursing related knowledge and practical skills and positive attitude, updates information, just one click our website www.wearenurses.org. Thank you for watching this video. For more nursing knowledge trending video, please subscribe our channel We Are Nurses, proud to be a nurse, and waiting for your lovable likes and share and comments. Thank you respected all my dear family nurses.